for everyone in a school building. The state health department also recommending vaccines for all who are eligible and maintaining social distancing in the classroom. The department says students who test positive for the virus must stay home for 10 days. WAAY 31's Olivia Schuler joins us live at Madison City Schools tonight after talking with the Madison City Schools superintendent on his district's late masking decision. Olivia.
Dr. Ed Nichols said the decision to require masks came after the Alabama Department of Public Health released their back to school toolkit. He said it wasn't due to a rise in COVID-19 cases. He says it was due to the change in recommendations from the CDC.
In the past, even if you had a mask on, if you were within 6 feet, you were quarantined. But this year, if you have a mask on and you're between 3 and 6 feet, then you're not quarantined.
Nichols said last year quarantining affected in-person learning for students and their teachers. This school year, Nichols wants to ensure students stay in the classroom.
I'm looking for that point where I know that we're not going to have mass quarantining.
For some Madison City Schools parents, they're disappointed. For others, they're feeling they can finally take a deep breath.
We could have a petition of 400 and there's 24,000 parents. At what point would that make a difference? And I listen to that input and I appreciate it, but I'm not swayed by trying to figure out the vote. I'm not a politician.
Laura Harper, one of the parents who is feeling relieved tonight as she prepares her 3 kids for the first day of school.
My kids are happy that they're getting to go to school, and they know that the only way I was going to let them go to school is if they wore masks.
Harper also saying she understands the frustration of sending a child to school with a mask.
This is not the ideal way to do school. I can completely sympathize with people who are very disappointed that their kids are going to be wearing masks because it's not the best way to learn.
I'm looking forward to making a change and going back to when we can be mask optional. I don't anticipate that we will have masks until even the ADPH tells us not to.
Dr. Nichols says there will be opportunities for teachers and students to unmask. He says there are teachable moments where you will have to take your mask off. He also says his goal is just to get students back in person learning. Reporting live in Madison, Olivia Schuler, WAAY 31 News.